Looking for ways to garden in your small space? Let's dive into the world of container gardening. It's an adaptable and convenient method for those with limited space, offering flexibility, easy maintenance, and a range of plant possibilities. Stay tuned to discover practical and easy-to-follow container gardening tips. First things first, choosing the right container. This is crucial to your small space gardening success. The container you choose must have excellent drainage to prevent waterlogging. Now, let's talk materials. Plastic is lightweight and retains moisture well, but can degrade in sunlight. Clay pots are natural, breathable, but may dry out quickly. Ceramic containers, while attractive, can be heavy and fragile. Each has its pros and cons, so consider your needs carefully. Remember, the right container can make a big difference in the success of your small space garden. Next up, selecting the perfect plants for your container garden. Opt for plants that are well adapted to container life. Consider factors like plant size. Smaller plants often adapt better, sunlight requirements, some plants need full sun, others partial shade, and compatibility with other plants. Some plants play well together, others don't. For beginners, marigolds, petunias, or tomatoes are great choices. Remember, the right plants will thrive in your container garden, making your small space lively and vibrant. Now that you have your plants and containers, it's time to talk about care and maintenance. Watering is crucial, but remember, it's all about balance. Not too much, not too little. Fertilizing can give your plants that extra boost. Use a gentle organic fertilizer every few weeks. And don't forget to prune. Regular trimming promotes healthy growth. Although container gardening is relatively easy, it still requires a bit of attention to keep your plants thriving. With a bit of regular care and maintenance, your container garden will flourish. Container gardening is a fantastic way to make the most of your small space. Remember, choose the right containers, select suitable plants, and maintain them well. Embrace the freedom, versatility, and joy of container gardening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.